So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you convert sample PDFs to text. Like any PDF which contains some text, that how can you convert those into text. So for that we will be using a module named as PyPDF2. Firstly let's move in our VS Code. Now open your desired folder by going here and then open folder. Then what you have to do, just simply click here and then new terminal and then type this command pip install pypdf2. Since I have already installed this, that's why it is showing requirement already satisfied. Now I have taken also a sample PDF file for this particular video. This is the PDF. You can see that. This contains a text, something like sample PDF document and then author name and then the date of its publication. The date when it was published. So now what you have to do is simply create a main.py or any name you can say. Now what you have to do is import this particular library, import pypdf2, and then you have to convert into text, pdf2 text, pdf2 text. You have to pass the file path here, pdf underscore path, and with semicolon, and make sure that you have typed this one, pypdf. This is the module. Now what you have to do is you have to open the PDF in read mode with open PDF path, PDF underscore path in read binary form, RB. Then what you have to do is treat it as file. Okay, make sure that you have correct indentation here. So now what you have to do is you have to open this as file. Text will be an empty string which will be appended on further execution. For page in reader.pages. You have to define a reader here. Reader equals pypdf2.pdf reader .pdf reader, PDF reader, this one file. Just a second guys. We want this one for the particular file. Okay, then just come here and then a colon text plus equals to. That means we are appending a text string. Page.extract text. Page.extract text. You have to call this function. Now you have to return text after this. Text equals PDF to text. You have to call this function and then you have to pass the file name here. Here in our case is sample.pdf. Sample.pdf. Then just simply print this one. Print text. Now let's execute our program. Save this one and execute this one. You can see that This is the whole content of PDF file. That was first line was sample PDF document and then author names and then this particular date. So you can see that our PDF file is converted into text. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.